SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to add a city to the weather app on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you use the weather app on your iPhone, then it's likely displaying the weather in your current location. But if you're curious about the weather in another location, such as one where family might live or where you might be visiting soon, then you have the option of adding another city to the weather app. You can do this by finding the weather app icon and tapping it to open the app. And then you can tap the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you just need to type the name of the city for which you would like to view the weather into the search field at the top of this screen. And once you find the city that you would like to view the weather for, then you can tap on it from the list of search results. And if this is the correct city, then you can touch the Add button at the top right corner of the screen, and that's going to add that city to the weather app. Now you can cycle between different cities by going to the main weather screen and then swiping to the left or right to view the weather in the location that you're curious about knowing.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.